Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 2nd, 2018, and I'm going to be harvesting the lettuce, spinach, and kale today. So I have my bin here with my zip closed bags in it, and I have a nice, fresh, sharp pair of scissors here. And I'm just using the tin right here, the container, sorry, to hold my bags. And the reason why I'm putting them in these bags that close like this is so that as I'm harvesting it, I can just close them up then when they're almost full. Now what I'm going to actually be doing is I'm going to be taking the outer leaves here. I'm going to be leaving the center leaves in. So I'm just taking the outer ones and cut them down here. And it's nice, it's still early in the morning. The bin is nice and wet. And it's still cool out. You don't want to harvest your lettuce if your soil is dry or if it's really hot out, because your lettuce will wilt on you and that will defeat your purpose of growing it. I'm just taking the outer leaves off here, and I am leaving some of the stems. On these here, and the garden trough is so nice because I don't have to bend down to try and harvest the lettuce. Everything's like up at my level. And then after I'm all done harvesting this lettuce here, I will be feeding this trough again with the Eco Scraps all-purpose 555 plant food, which I'll show you how to do that in another video. The reason why I choose not to feed it when everything's like this is because I don't want to get the plant food on the leaves. Now, if I'm using a product like Sea Magic, I don't mind getting it on the leaves. But I really don't want to get the other stuff on it. I'm going to come down here real quick. I am going to finish harvesting this. I just want to show you a little bit closer. If you can see here, I'm just cutting the outer leaves off. I'm not cutting the center ones. To do this project, I had to put the camera on a tripod. And when I'm filling my bags, I don't want these that full. Like, I'm going to keep filling this one up, but I don't want them that full. I'm going to smash the leaves, because when you smash your leaves, you actually damage them. That's usually when they start going bad quicker. So I'll show you what it looks like when I stop filling the bag to close it. And I actually don't wash our lettuce till we're ready to use it, or unless we're going to be using it up pretty quick, because it can make it not last as long when you wash it. So, oops. Take this off here real quick and I'll show you what I got so far. So you can see here what I started cutting. And let me see if I can find an outer leaf here. Here's an outer leaf. And on this one here, I'm just cutting the outer leaf off. You can choose to cut your lettuce like straight across, but what I've noticed is sometimes if you accidentally cut it down too short, it can take it a while to come back. And if you cut it down way too short, it won't even come back. So I just take the outer leaves off. The inner leaves keep growing, and you'll keep getting your nice supply of fresh lettuce. Now, you do want to do successive plantings of your lettuce to try and make sure that you can keep it going. There are different varieties that are more heat tolerant than others. So you'll just have to check your pack for those if you want to try and grow it in the summer. Always, always, always pre-chill your lettuce seeds before you even try and plant them. So I'm going to finish harvesting this, and then I'll show you how to do the spinach and the kale. Okay, so I'm back, and I got one of my bags full here. See how I did it? Now I did not pack this stuff in because I don't want to damage the leaves. I've already sealed it. I'm going to be putting it in the refrigerator, probably in the crisper drawer. And you can see how far I got here. I did cut this here, and I'm working my way over, so I still have all this to cut. These here, I'm going to let them get bigger some before I start cutting it, and when I give it its food, it's going to really help it to grow even more. And when I wash this, then I'll wash it, I'll rinse it off in cool water. Now if it has aphids on it, you can soak it in cold water to try and get the aphids off. I didn't see any on here, which I'm very happy about. And then we use a salad spinner. We put our lettuce in a salad spinner and we dry it, and then we eat it. So I can show you then how to wash the lettuce and stuff. So I'm going to be taking this bag in here real quick, put it in the refrigerator, and I'm going to continue cutting the lettuce then. Okay, so I got about 1 and a little over half bags of lettuce off. I'm letting this other stuff get larger before I cut it, and I have them in the refrigerator. And next I'm going to be harvesting the spinach. Okay, so I got my bag here and my scissors. Opening my bag up here. And I'm just going to be taking the outer leaves off again. Oops, my bag's trying to blow away on me there. If you see a leaf that's damaged, you can just get rid of it. Or I just get rid of them. So I'm just cutting the outer leaves off again. Putting them in my bag here. The wind's starting to pick up. And again with this, I'll wait to wash it till I'm ready to use it so it lasts longer. What I got so far. Some of these are baby leaves more, but they're still good to eat. So I'm going to finish harvesting this. I'll come back and I'll show you what I have left, and then I will show you how to cut the kale. So you can see what I've done here so far. I'm just cutting the outer leaves off. I'm letting the center go. Okay, so I got about half a bag of my spinach, and I already sealed it and put it away. It was starting to heat up on me and I didn't want to lose it, so I have it in the refrigerator. And next I'm going to be harvesting the kale. Okay, so I have my Ziploc bag again. Another, I don't know if it's Ziploc or not. But I'm going to be taking the outsides of the leaves the same way as I did on the spinach and the lettuce. Just see here. Oops. Go. Just sticking them in here. And my mom, actually, we have one of those Nutri Ninjas. You can put a link down below if you want to see what they look like. And she uses these in juice drinks, and you can use these, and you can use like your spinach and like one of the Juice Man juicers or something like that. You can make a drink out of them. And again, I'm not going to be packing my bag full. I'm going to be leaving space in between it when I put it in. So that way then my stuff doesn't get damaged. It's getting a little windier out. So I don't know how long I can actually let the camera up. And you can use this in salads and different recipes and stuff. Ew. Okay, watch out for, this is some kind of worm, so we don't want that on there. That's going to eat our kale. So I'm definitely going to really have to check this over as I'm washing it off to make sure that we don't have any aphids or worms on it or anything like that. I'll probably soak this in cold water and then wash it off, which I'll do that when we're about ready to eat it, because it's going to last longer if I don't wash it right away and just wash it when I'm ready to eat it or use it. Got some different size leaves here. And after I wash when we wash all of the leafy greens, then we put them in the salad spinner afterwards to spin them dry. So I'm going to finish harvesting this all up, And then I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. And I'll tell you how much I got off of it. Okay, so I'm done I'm done harvesting. Sorry about that, I'm thinking of planting. I'm done harvesting my kale here, and I got a full bag of it, which I'm going to be putting in the refrigerator. So I'll give you a quick update. These are the carrots over here, and I'm going to have some weeds to pull out. This is my spinach here. I got half a bag of this. And my lettuce is over here. I got 1.5 bags, a little over 1.5 bags off of this. And I do have a butter crunch lettuce already planted in here that's going to be coming next. And I got my little radishes back here. And I am going to be pulling a few of these, which I'll show you in another video. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.